Unlock the ultimate guide to building generational wealth. The 10 key principles to build generational wealth. The best time to invest probably is maybe 20 or 25 years ago. The second best time is now. So start your investment journey now, right? Because if you invest now, it compounds over time. It gives you better return on investment. And if you start early, it gives you time to learn, make mistakes, and grow from those mistakes. And I encourage you to have consistently investing your money in assets that appreciate in value while it gives you passive recurring income. Number 2, live below your means. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses, right? Even if you're making serious money, don't go and spending lots of money in buying more expensive houses or maybe renting more expensive houses, going for an expensive car. No, maintain living below your means and delay the gratification in order to immerse yourself and generate generational wealth that would help you now and that would outlive you for when you're gone. Number 3, diversification. Diversify your investment. Invest in real estate, invest in the stock market, invest in index funds, invest in anything that you know that can generate you passive recurring income whilst appreciating value for the long term. Number 4, I've been banging on this for so long. Focus on long-term gain. Focus on the long term instead of the short term. Because if you focus on the long term, it helps you make decisive decisions that gives you better return on investment instead of gambling your hard-earned cash away. You see, when you focus in long term, it gives you time to prepare, it gives you time to analyze, it gives you time to bring a solid investment because you know, end of the day, you'll be making better return on your investment than gambling the money away. Number 5, increase your financial literacy. Again, I've been banging on this for so many times. Don't go spending on things that you don't need. Start budgeting, saving, and find a place where you can put that savings that would allow you to generate passive recurring income. Number 6, plan for inheritance tax. You see, if you do not plan for your inheritance tax, when you go away, the government may be taking 60 to 70% of your hard-earned assets. So what you want to do right now is to plan about it. Even if you're young, even if you're in your 20s, don't worry about that. Planning, failing to plan is planning to fail. So plan yourself to ensure that when you're gone, you've left something for your family members that they'll be able to use and continue to take your investment to the next level. This could be building trust, reducing the equity you have in some assets, and reinvesting those equities to acquire more assets that generate a better return on your investment. Perhaps having offshore account to help reduce the tax liabilities. Number 7, creating multiple streams of income. Perhaps you want to invest in real estate, the stock market, gold, businesses that will generate you passive recurring income without worrying about not having enough money. Number 8 is one of the most important, if it's not the important, out of these 10. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy.
Look for investments that generate you passive, recurring income whilst minimizes the risk, and adjust and double down in those sort of investment. Number 9, manage your debt wisely. Eradicate all your bad debts and instead embrace good debts that will give you passive, recurring income. Number 10 is one of the most important for most people. Plan for an emergency. If you got an emergency fund, perhaps you're just about to start your property investment journey. Maybe you're just looking to start and you're worried that you won't have enough money to keep you going. Maybe you want to save about 6 to 7 months worth of expenses before you start investing, just to give you a little bit of cushion, just in case things went south, and it would allow you to adjust and readjust in order to be able to expedite your investment journey. I really hope this video has been helpful. This video has been helpful. Smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.